How you doing? This is Scott again with Prinoth. So what we're going to do now, we're going to find out what the RPMs of the rotor is. Again, with the flow here, we have it set at 42 GPM. So we're going to find out what our 42 gallon minute. We're going to find out what our RPM is on our rotor. We should be in the 22 to 2300 range. Okay, so go ahead and fire it up. So as you saw, as we tested the pressure, we got up at 42 GPM on this unit. We got 2204 RPMs, and that's perfect. We don't need to run any faster than that. So just as we adjusted the top up here, we can adjust the bottom, and the bottom is going to set the flow of the motor. So you can see down here, there's a port to work with. Takes a 3/4 inch wrench and a 7 millimeter wrench. So you loosen this up and reset it. We found out this unit's already set at 2204 RPMs at 42 GPM, so it's perfect where it needs to be. But that's where you adjust the flow, the RPMs of the rotor on the bottom. These two, the only two you should adjust.